will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PolyBuzz app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here until you found apps, click on it. You come to apps list, and there you're looking for PolyBuzz app. You just click on search. So then here at PolyBuzz, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. You come to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search, you search here for PolyBuzz. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it. Then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.